One of the most important tools in my recovery journey has been mindfulness. So what is mindfulness and what does it involve? I first came across mindfulness probably around 15 years ago, and at the time I didn't think it was for me. In truth, I thought it was just for Buddhist monks on the top of the Himalayas. But the truth is, mindfulness is for each and every one of us. So practically, what mindfulness really involves is learning to be more present, learning to be more present in our everyday lives. When we think of OCD and anxiety, it begins to make sense of how it can actually be helpful and useful. When we think of intrusive thoughts, generally these thoughts are about something that will happen in the future. Some catastrophe, some imagined consequence, something that's going to happen in the future. And often what happens when our mood is low, when we feel quite depressed, our mind goes into the past. We rehash things, we go over things, we look at all those things that we could have, should have, maybe possibly could have done differently. But the truth is, where life really happens is now, in this particular moment. And really that's where change can happen. And that's the important thing to remember, is that when we get trapped in this imagined future or difficult past, we can always come back to the here and now. It's something I'm going to be talking about more in the coming days.